satisfying you and I keep bleeding.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benny. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by. Please stay. So in today's video, we're going to be going through the full face of this look. If you're interested in seeing this, please keep watching the video.
Satisfying you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you ain't no sense. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must adore me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else beside. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? Do you like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one do you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must adore me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Thumbs it down better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something else beside. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, can I do you like I? Do you like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Baby, stop telling me lies. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you ain't your sense. You wanna take a piece of my heart again.
Okay guys, so this is how the look came out. I have this bold pink eye with some glossy lips. I hope you guys were able to follow through the steps. It's giving very much bold but at the same time soft. So yeah, I think I like it. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comments section. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so, and also follow me on Instagram, which I'll link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,